it takes almost 7 years for a Rudraksh tree to mature. Oh, 7 years is the Ketu Dasha. You imagine? If you bring a small Rudraksha tree and you start growing it to mature a Rudraksha tree, it takes 7 years, which is directly proportional to the Ketu Dasha. It has blue colored fruits. What is blue? Blue is Shani, sorrow, tears, harassment. So Rudraksha is one vibration, is one energy that has ability to take away all the sorrows of life from you, all the sorrows. Whatever sorrows you have, these sorrows will be gone with certain mukhi of Rudrakshas, with certain pariharas, with certain mantras, with certain vidhis. Rudraksha has capability to take away all the dukha in your life. Beat any dukha, beat any sorrow of this world. Rudraksh has this ability. And you know what? What is the season when you see the Rudraksh fruits? It is when sun is transiting in the sign of Leo, you will start seeing fruits on the Rudraksh tree. Which month is that? It is the month of August, September. So Rudraksha is a fruit of Leo. And Leo belongs to Surya. And who is the Pratyadi Devata of Surya? Shiva. Simple. I'm going to tell a secret today based on my experience of consultations. The remedy for Shani means sorrow is Surya. And remedy for Shani Dasha is Shri Ram. I always give Ram Raksha Stotra twice a day. You should recite if you are going through Shani Mahadasha. Why? Because Shri Ram is a Surya avatar, point number one. And he himself has dealt with the Shani Mahadasha. And he converted his Shani Mahadasha into one of the greatest achievements of his life. It is in the same dasha when he was exiled, and in the same dasha he killed Ravana. So you see, Suryavanshi, Ram, Shani, Rudraksha, it is all one form of energy. I must tell you that. It is all associated somewhere around the 5th house. So you also notice one thing, that if there are 1000 fruits falling down from the tree of Rudraksha, 99% of the Rudraksha fruits will be Panchmukhi, 5-mukhi Rudrakshas. And what does these 5-mukhi Rudraksha represents? They represent the 5 faces of Shiva. 5 faces of Shiva. And 5-mukhi Rudraksha out of all the Rudrakshas is the most auspicious Rudraksha for japa. जब रुद्राक्ष आए तो शिवजी ने सबसे पहले रुद्राक्ष किसको दिए? सबसे पहले रुद्राक्ष was given to Vaishnavas. Chapter number 25, 7th shloka, Shiv Mahapuran. Shiva is giving the first Rudraksha through Rishi Atri to Vaishnavas. If you are devotee of Vishnu, then normal restrictions that do not apply to you. You can wear it, use it anytime. It will work. What do you understand from this? You can wear Rudraksha. If you can't wear Rudraksha, if you cannot be Vaishnava, you can keep Rudraksha. Now, this is the catch. Wear Rudraksha occasionally and then keep it in your temple if you are not a Vaishnava. When can you wear? You're going in a competitive exam, you're doing your sadhana, you're taking a Jyotish class, you're giving a Jyotish class, you're looking at horoscopes, wear it and then take it off. But if you are Vaishnava, the Rudraksh start giving you result within 7 minutes. How many minutes? 7 minutes. It synchronizes with your body within 7 minutes if you are a Vaishnava. And if you are a normal human being, it can take up to 7 years. Remember Ketu Dasha? You know what? What is my personal understanding of Rudraksha? Rudraksha is like a cocoon. It holds your energy. That will take all your positive energy with you. That will take all the positive energy of your temple with you. That will take all the positive energy of a guru with you. The energy of your knowledge, Vidya, with you. You will not forget things. Like today you've studied Rudraksh Vidya. After 10 weeks, you have to go back and revise. You'll have to make an effort to remember कि आपने क्या पढ़ा था. Now, that problem will go away because that problem is associated with the 5th house. What about the 4 varnas? You know there are 4 varnas. There are Kshatriyas, Brahmins, Shudras. So why Rudraksha is not given to people based on their caste, creed, and varnas? Mahadev started a new varna known as spiritual varna. We have to learn this. This is what matters the most.